In the quiet evening of Thursday, February the 1st, 2024, a tragic event unfolded in the skies above Clearwater, Florida, when a Beechcraft V35B Bonanza, registered under November 6659 Lima, met with a catastrophic fate. Owned and operated by Control Data Inc., this single-engine aircraft, manufactured in 1979, embarked on what was supposed to be a routine private flight. Departing from Vero Beach Regional Airport with the Clearwater Airpark as its destination, the journey turned disastrous as it approached its endpoint around 7:07 p.m. Eastern Time. This incident not only resulted in the total destruction of the aircraft, but also claimed the lives of 3 individuals, including the sole occupant of the plane, the pilot, and 2 unfortunate souls on the ground. The aircraft, while on its final approach to runway 34, encountered critical issues. Air traffic control recordings captured the pilot's attempt to line with runway 34 at Kilo Charlie Lima Whiskey, including his request to change frequencies to activate the runway lights. Moments later, a distressing communication was made by the pilot canceling the IFR clearance, followed by an alarming report of losing engine. This was the last transmission from the aircraft before it veered off its flight path and descended into disaster.
I'd like to turn a little bit left to align for runway 34. I can't see the other airport. I'm losing engine.
The Beechcraft V35B Bonanza crashed into a mobile home park east of Clearwater, igniting into a fire that quickly engulfed the vicinity. The post-impact blaze consumed the aircraft and spread to 4 trailer homes, marking a somber scene for first responders. The Clearwater Fire and Rescue Department, led by Fire Chief Scott Ehlers, rushed to the site, finding a scene of devastation that had claimed multiple lives and destroyed several homes. The efforts of the firefighters were focused on controlling the flames and conducting a thorough search for survivors.
Earlier this evening at 7:08 p.m., we received, for the fire department, a report of a structure fire here. Simultaneously, the ARF units, or the aircraft units out of Clearwater St. Pete Airport, also received a note of response regarding an aircraft that had some trouble. During that conversation with their tower lost it off the radar and 3 miles north of the runway, and some of the ARP units responded this way when they saw the fire. Our units got on scene at 19:15 or 7:15 was our initial units on scene, and the aircraft response vehicles were right behind them.
This incident drew immediate attention from both the FAA and the NTSB, prompting a swift investigation into the cause of this crash. Preliminary reports from the FAA indicate that the aircraft had crashed under unknown circumstances, highlighting the post-crash fire that followed. The NTSB also dispatched investigators onto the scene, aiming to document the wreckage and gather crucial evidence that could shed light onto the tragic event. As the investigation continues, the NTSB's findings will be crucial in determining the sequence of events that led to the crash. Both the aviation community and the residents of Clearwater await answers, hoping for closure and measures that can prevent future tragedies of this nature. This is a really unfortunate event, and we wish all those affected the utmost strength and support during this really difficult time. Our thoughts are with the families and friends of those lost and the communities impacted by this tragedy, and everyone working tirelessly to understand the cause and prevent such incidents in the future. Thank you for watching.